Harbourfront Wealth app. The pros, the cons. Harbourfront Wealth is a Canadian investment platform designed for automated wealth management and portfolio tracking. But is it the right fit for your goals? Starting with the pros. First, automation. The app offers robo-advisor features that automatically allocate and rebalance investments according to your risk profile. Second, integrated financial planning. Harbourfront Wealth allows users to track multiple accounts and view net worth in one place. Third, personalized advice. Users can access tailored guidance based on their goals, which is great for beginners seeking direction. Now, the cons. One limitation is fees. While reasonable, they can be higher than some purely DI platforms. Another drawback is customization. Advanced investors may feel restricted by the preset portfolios and limited investment options. The surprising truth? Harbourfront Wealth is ideal for those wanting guidance and simplicity, but hands-on investors may feel constrained. In conclusion, the pros: automated investing, integrated planning, and personalized advice make Harbourfront Wealth great for Canadian investors seeking a structured approach. The cons: fees and limited customization may push experienced investors toward other options.